Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. Today I'm here to share another altered playing card for hashtag Deck the Year 2025 hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. This is my second year partially. um, and I believe that I'm gonna do the rest of the year, I believe. I do go back to work, or I am at work. What am I talking about? I am back at work, and I am filming these videos ahead of time. So I just want to make sure that I have them up. So this week I altered a playing card, and I used this die. I don't even know the name of the set. It came with two little pockets and this little envelope. And I believe I got this on Amazon. I'm not sure. Or, yeah, I don't remember now. It's been a while. And I used the pocket because these fit an ATC. So it will fit this playing card. And I made a little pocket on my playing card, and I think I could have done this without a die, and you definitely can. But I like, there's two styles. There's this one that has a V shape, and then this one that kind of looks like a, let me, I don't have a white, oh, here it is. Here. It's a, no. Nope, this one has a hole in it. That stinks. Here, how about this? Okay. So this has a little scallop, sort of. And I like the V-shaped. And then what I did was I covered the back with some old book pages that I had in my stash. Here, it's very aged. And I used some of the papers that I used last week with the autumn papers. Then I used some different papers from my stash, and I cut out the pocket. I distressed the edges, but I did scratched up the card itself because it is really slippery, and I needed it to have a little grit. So I did that to the background. I inked the edges to the pocket. I added this word memories because I do have a, what do you call it? A family meaning. Come on, focus. Does it focus? It's focusing. Yay. Well, sort of. And I added it to my little pocket with this little ticket. I found a bunch of these tickets in my stash, and I added some lace trim, some dainty lace trim I had in my stash, and this flower cabochon. I found some, I've been going through my little trinket container full of miscellaneous stuff. It has eyelets, it has some beads in there, it has some buttons. It's just odds and ends and stuff. Like bits and bobs. I always like saying that. I inked the edges of this. I even pop dot one side of it because now I have all my glues and I use this puffy, what do you call it, dimensional tape. I guess I don't know what it's called nowadays. I'm getting old. And so I popped it up because of the pocket. Yeah, I just think it's really, really cute. I just love how it looks. So I want to thank Penny for this great collaboration. Check out everybody's creations on the hashtag. There's some really amazing crafters out there and who are participating in this open collaboration. So I want to thank everyone once again. Have a great rest of your week. It's almost Friday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.